This is a used 2015 Nissan Pathfinder. It's powered by four-wheel drive engine and an automatic transmission. With fewer than 25,000 miles, this vehicle has a long road ahead. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include Bluetooth connectivity, a satellite radio, steering wheel controls, alloy rims, dual temperature controls, a spoiler, power seats, cruise control, keyless entry, a trip computer. Safety was made a priority with these features: a backup camera, side airbags, brake assist, traction control, parking sensors, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, anti-lock brakes, child safety locks. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.